Ford pickup, windows down, wind in my hair, dusty road stretch ahead, adventure in the air. The engine growls like a wild beast unchained. Asphalt ribbons beckon memories to be gained. Radio tune to twangy tune, sun setting low. I'm a rolling troubadour, chasing dreams as I go. Diesel fumes and diesel hearts, we're all the same. Brothers of the highway, playing life's high-stakes game. Brothers of the highway, playing life's high-stakes game. We're all one life, playing life's high-stakes. Day stays on the road, and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Sings a weary traveler, headlights cutting through the night. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Freedom's our cargo, and the open roads are looking. Cornfields and pastures under the moon. My dashboard shrine photos, luggage, arms embrace, guides me through the darkness, every mile betrays. Something about a truck, Kipmore grins, a red sundress, cold beer and forbidden sins. In the bed of my Chevy, secrets whisper soft, stars as witnesses, love's ignition turned aloft. I drive the truck, need brush seams with pride. Father's legacy is soldier's ride. Each gear shift memory, each pothole a tear. This spirit rides shotgun, whispering in my ear. Pick up men, trophies at the moors, tailgates and taillights, love found in traffic wars. We're the troubadours of tarmac, the poets of the lane. Truck, yell, we shout as the highway calls our name. So let's roll, my friends, down that endless track. This is how we roll. Florida, Georgia lines packed. From the heart of the cab to the soul of the tire. Trucks and country songs.